And welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful La Pavoni espresso machine. We'll start with P. Alright, so let's pull a shot. The grind is probably a little too fine on our grinder for this machine, but it's really thick. But yeah, I'm pushing really hard, so it's just that the grind's too fine. And then test the steam. Nice strong steam. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.